Hi guys, I look dead because I was just cleaning the whole room. So basically we are gonna get ready for 2020. Yes, 2020, oh my god. We're gonna deep clean the whole room and we are going to declutter everything that's in there. Look dead, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's get started. I will be decluttering everything like cosmetics and things like that. Jewelry, hair care, skincare. I just have a lot that I don't use or I haven't used in a long time. So I'm kind of worried maybe they might have just expired or whatever. So I just want to check that and declutter that and also clean my room because it's just such a mess right now. I mean, this is all you see, this background, and obviously there's nothing there, but once you look around, it's just so messy. I wish to show you guys. So, oh, hi. So, this is the part that I'm going to be decluttering. Rest of the whole thing in my cupboard is just clothing. And of course, I need to declutter the last one that is just, oh my god, it looks so bad. Anyways, that's so, and just look at my room. It's just so messy. So, yep. I know that looks bad. I need both the tables, one to work on my lap and the other one where I keep everything while I'm filming. That part of course looks fine, but this part is just, I don't know. Products that I've used up and I've kept the bottle, I don't know why, but here's a small thing you can do. Like, this is the Himalaya baby cream. I use creams that are pretty much gentle for my skin, so I've been using this. What I've done is I've basically cut it here and used up everything, and if you can't use it up in one use, you'll get at least 3-4 uses if you cut open these, and then just push them inside like that, and you can keep it like this and get at least 2 to 3 uses out of these packs. Like, there is a lot of product left in there, so I do that a lot, like cutting the tubes and then keeping them in like that. One of my favorite makeup remover is the Garnier Micellar. It's inexpensive and it removes makeup so easily. I really love it. I did use the Biotic Bio Cucumber toner. I actually transferred it into another bottle and I've been using it, and it's pretty harsh. It has a very harsh smell, but the toning effect is okay. Like, I use most of my toners as facial mist, so this one has been helping me. I put it into like the Plum ka some facial toner bottle I had, which was a spray bottle, so I transferred the whole thing in there and I've been using it, and it refreshes me, and that's what I like. I normally don't use a toner as a toner. The only toner that I used as a toner was from Laneige. I did not find any major difference using this. This thing comes for like 175 rupees, and so I'm gonna throw out. And one of my favorite scents from Body Shop is the body mist, is the vanilla one. I really like this one. It's pretty subtle smell. So another product that I'm throwing out is the Maybelline New York Gel Eyeliner. I used it up a lot and the expiry date is over, so and now coming to two skincare that I used up was from a range called the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Antioxidant range, and I had the moisturizer as well as the eye cream. The eye cream I like completely used it up. It's a gel form and there's nothing in there. Completely used it up. And the whole box is just really cute and amazing, so I'm gonna keep the cute little box. If you want to store like small earrings, or if you have to store some DIY lip scrub or something, this is perfect because it's glass, so you can get more use out of it than plastic. I really liked it. It was amazing. It stayed for so long because it's eye cream. You use like a very small dollop of it and then you can apply for both your eyes, and there's like a lot in there, so yeah. But it did not reduce like my dark circles a lot and stuff, but it did keep my under eyes moisturized, and I think that kind of prevents wrinkling. Great. So the moisturizer that comes with it is a white thick moisturizer. Again, I've used it up completely. It is like a thick opaque moisturizer, like any normal moisturizer. And this one was hard to use for me because my skin is kind of oily and I sweat a lot. This one just makes me sweat even more. Like I cannot apply it even at night. If I apply and go to sleep, I'll be sweating. My face will be all oily and sweaty, and maybe if you have dry skin you can use it. Also during winter and stuff you can use it. Too thick and oily and moisturizing and sticky. Since my skin is too oily, I like more gel forms of moisturizers or hydrating moisturizers, and this one I thought it's hydrating and more like watery, but this one was way thick and way oily for me, and it was really sticky, which I hated, so I couldn't use it in daytime. I could use it only at night, and that too, if I use it, I used to sweat a lot. So yeah, it was kind of hard to finish this up, but I did. And I got like some face masks, sheet masks from in there. These are really old. I didn't even realize I had these in there. One of them expiry date was 2019 and I did not use it, so. And this, if you remember, if you have seen like my first few makeup videos, I've used this as like my primer. It's basically calamine lotion, and I used to really like it because my skin used to be really sensitive during those times, and I used to use it. It used to work for me. Now I don't use it. Now I don't need it. So
that much of waste, we need to get that out. Oh my god. So as soon as you enter my room, let's just close the door. This is the view that you get. This is what it looks like. This is where I'll be filming. And to the side, we have some string lights. Of course, we have the washroom. And that's my cupboard. And then I have 3 windows. And this is the only room that has so much windows and lighting. And that's my bed. I barely sleep in there because I'm barely home. And then that is the shelf. There's nothing because I don't stay here. And we have the laptop table. It is, what is it called? Oh my god, it's called something. I don't remember. Yeah, I have my handbag here. And yeah, this is my room. And this is where I sit. Film. Like, hello.
Right now I'm filming using my mobile. So, yeah. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning. All of that is done. My room tour. I gave you guys my room tour. This is my room. I have like 3 windows. It's just the best thing about this room because it's lighting from like 3 directions. And it's the best for filming, guys. Honestly, that is it. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Bye. I already said bye, but still, bye.